Hey guys, it's Anthony here, Super Duty Service. We got Michael's truck. It's '06 Lariat. Pretty nice freaking truck. Under the hood does not look cobbled up, doesn't look beat up. Got air tests. We've thought possibly just IPR failure. Well, I think it might get a little more involved. I'm going to go ahead and throw a known good IPR in before we go buying a new one, or before we put a new one on. Here you go, you can see down in there. I got air coupled to the IPR test fitting. Listen to this. Not cool. The bonus is, well, I guess bonus, but it's coming out of both sides. It's coming out of the crankcase ventilation also. I don't know, we're going to throw a known good in it. See if he can get some firing out of it, see if we can get it to fire up. He might be looking at an STC fitting. You know, there was absolutely no popping or anything that we normally hear if it's injector O-rings. Standpipes, dummy plugs, you know, dummy plugs are highly possible too. But thought I'd throw this video up real quick. This is Michael's truck. Just straight up no start IPR going to maxing out, ICP maxing out at about 170, 160. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and throw a known good in it. We'll see if it fires. If it fires, I mean, he's definitely got a problem though. We got something in there. I mean, I don't even know. You know, we'll pop off the passenger valve cover and make sure it's not standpipe or dummy plug. But my 2 cents is going to be on STC fitting. Just typical failure. But who knows? Throw a known good in it. I've been wrong before. All right, have a good day, guys.